A very pleasant morning, children. So, as you know, we have been discussing about finding the sum of the fractional numbers. Today we are going to start exercise 5.2, which is very much similar to the first exercise, yet there is one change. See, so far we dealt with problems like 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, where both the given numbers are fractional numbers. What they did in exercise 5.2 is, first they gave whole number. As you all know, whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So whole number, 4 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fraction. 2 by 3 is a fraction. So in exercise 5.2, what you are going to do is, we are going to add a whole number with a fraction. Yet, though it looks as a different question, but the procedure is very much same. Okay, look. So 4 plus 2 by 3, given 4 plus 2 by 3. As you already know, we can write 4 as 4 by 1, isn't it? Because 4 by 1 gives us anyway 4. So writing 4 as 4 by 1 doesn't disturb this value of 4. For our convenience, we are going to write 4 as 4 by 1 and the other fraction you write as it is, that is 4 by 1 plus 2 by 3. Now if you observe the same process which we did for exercise 5.2 problems also, if the denominators are same, what you will do? You will do LCM. But here we have one advantage. Whenever you see 1 as one of the denominators, no need to find the LCM like this. Okay, because if you see 1 as one of the denominators of the two fractions, LCM is anyway going to be the product. Okay, LCM of denominators 1 and 3. LCM of denominators 1 and 3 is, as I told you, if you see 1 as one of the denominators of the given fraction, please be careful, only two fractions must be there. If it is 3, we have to do the regular process. Here we have only two fractions, hence 1 and 3 is 1 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3. I hope you understood. If you have two fractions and in that two fractions, if one of the denominators is 1, then the LCM is going to be simply the product of those denominators. Hope you understood, children. Now the regular process. We have the original fraction 4 by 1 and we want to get a fraction multiplied with this so that the denominator will be equal to LCM. So in order to get 3, with what we have to multiply this one? 3. As I told, the same should be given to numerator also. Okay, 1 into 3 gives us 3, 4 into 3 gives us 12. 4 into 3 gives us 12. Now, check the second one. Original fraction is 2 by 3. Yet, in order to get like fractions, we need to have the denominator as 3. With what we have to multiply 3 to get 3? 1. Because 3 ones are 3. The same you have to put at numerator also. 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. So 2 by 3. Now, therefore, 4 plus 2 by 3. The question. If you write 4 by 1 plus 2 by 3 is also not a problem. What is the new fraction or the equivalent for 4 by 1? 12 divided by 3 plus, what is the equivalent for 2 by 3? It is 2 by 3. Now, 12 plus 2 is 14 divided by 3. Being an improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction, isn't it? So 3/4 gives us 12. Upon subtraction, you will get 2. So how can we write this? Clockwise direction. 4, 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3 is the answer which we will get, okay, by adding the sum of these numbers. Okay. Now let us move to second question, children. The second question is 7 plus 1 by 8. 7 plus 1 by 8. Look. We can write this one as 7 by 1 plus 1 by 8 as we did just like the previous problem. Here also we have the advantage that of the two denominators, one denominator is 1. Therefore, LCM of denominators 1 and 8 is LCM of denominators 1 and 8 is 1 multiplied by 8, which is 8. 1 multiplied by 8, which gives us 8. Now, the original fraction is 7 by 1, yet we want the denominator to be 8. That is the LCM. So with what we have to multiply this 1 to get 8? Obviously it is 8 because 1 8 gives us 8. The same you will do at numerator also. 1 8 8, 7 8s are 56. 7 8 gives us 56. Now, the other fraction is 1 by 8, which is to be multiplied with some fraction so that the denominator must be 8. So 8 how many times? 8 one time. The same should be applied to numerator also. 1 into 1 gives us 1. 1 into 1 gives us 1. Now, therefore, 7 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 7 plus 1 by 8 is equal to, what is the new fraction for 7 by 8? We got 56 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is anyway 1 by 8. Okay, which is equal to sum of 56 and 1, 57. So 57 divided by 8. Okay, 8 sevens, 56. The remainder is 1. So 7 1 by 8. 7 1 by 8. Okay. Now I am going to do fifth one, children. So 3 and 4 are homework. Now I am going to fifth one, which is a different question. So fifth one is 2 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2 plus 5 3 by 4. 2 1 by 2 plus 5 3 by 4. Look. So the given fractions are mixed fractions. The given fractions are mixed fractions. So first we have to convert them into improper fraction. How will we do? 2 2s 4 plus 1. Okay, this should be multiplied and the result will be added to this. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 4. Okay, now the same process. Once we completed with changing the mixed fraction into improper, addition is same. Here they are clearly unlike fractions because one denominator is 2 and the other is 4. If the denominators are different, what you will do? LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators 2 and 4. LCM of denominators 2 and 4. So how will you do? 2 4. The least number except one which divides both 2 and 4 is 2 table. 2 1s gives us 2 and 2 2s gives us 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. As I told, if you see 1, you will drop that 1 and the least number which divides 2 is 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Now, as we got 1 and 1, it clearly indicates that we are done with our LCM process. Therefore, the value of the LCM is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Okay? 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So now the LCM is 4. What will be the next step? 5 by 2 is the original fraction and we have to multiply it with another fraction so that the denominator should be 4. So 2 how many times is 4? 2 times. The same will be given to numerator. 5 2's 10. So the equivalent fraction of 5 by 2 is 10 by 4. On the other side we have 23 by 4. With what we have to multiply 4 the denominator to get 4 1. Because 4 ones gives us 4. 23 into 1 is 23. 23 into 1, 23. Now look. As we have to add, therefore, 2 1 by 2 plus 5 3 by 4. Okay, I am writing original fraction is equal to, in place of 2 1 by 2, what we got? 10 by 4. 10 by 4 plus, in place of 5 3 by 4, we got 23 by 4. 23 by 4. Now, the common denominator 4. 10 plus 23 is 33. 33. Here also we have an advantage that we can make this as an improper fraction. So, 33 divided by 4. 4 is 32. Upon subtraction you will get 1. So the answer is going to be 8 1 by 4. Okay, 8 1 by 4. Procedure is same, children. If you see a mixed fraction, you will convert it and then the same as we did. Okay. Now I am going to 7th one. So 6th one is going to be your homework. So 7th one. Here we have 3 fractions at a time at the same process. 1 3 by 4 plus 2 5 by 8 plus 3. 1 3 by 4 plus 2 5 by 8 plus 3. Okay, children? Same. If you see a mixed fraction, you will convert it. If you see a whole number, you will put 1 as the denominator. So 4 1's 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4 plus 8 2's 16, 16 plus 5, 21 by 8. I hope you are understanding. 4 1's are 4 plus 3 gives us 7, 8 2's are 16, 16 plus 5 gives us 21. 21 by 8 plus, we have only 3. Then how you will make it as a fraction? By keeping 1 in the denominator. Now clearly all the given denominators are different denominators. So we have to do LCM. LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators 4, 8 and 1. Please be careful, children. If there are 2 fractions with 1, you will multiply and you will get the LCM. But if you see 3 numbers where 1 is one of its denominators, you should not do multiplication. You have to follow the same old procedure as we do for finding LCM. So if you see 1, as I told you, will drop it. Now we have 4 and 8. The least number which divides both 4 and 8 is 2. 2 2's are 4 and 2 4's are 8. On the other side, as we have 1, you will write 1 as it is. 2 times 2 1's, 2 2's. Okay. Now you will write 1 and 1 as it is. The least number which divides 2 except 1 is 2 again. 2 1's are 2. As we got all the numbers as 1, you can stop the LCM such that the LCM of these numbers is going to be product of these factors. 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Now the rest of the process. As I told children, you please don't copy side as I am doing, because it will lead you into confusion. You write down to this only. Now 7 by 4. 7 by 4 should be multiplied with a fraction so that the denominator should be 8, the LCM. So it's very clear that when we multiply 4 by 2, you are going to get 8. As the same should be given to numerator, 7 2s 14, 14 by 8. And next is 21 by 8. We have to multiply it with some fraction so that the resultant denominator will get 8. So 8 ones 8, so the same should be given to numerator. 21 into 1, 21. Now 3 by 1. You have to multiply it with some number so that the resultant should be 8. 1 8 gives us 8, the same should be given to numerator. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Now the same process. We got all the like fractions for the given unlike fractions. Therefore, 1 3 by 4 plus 2 5 by 8 plus 3 is equal to, we got the value of 1 3 by 4 as 14 by 8 plus 2 5 by 8 as 21 by 8 plus 3 as 24 by 8. 24 by 8. Now we got a common denominator which is equal to 8. Now addition of the numerators, 14 plus 21 plus 24. Okay. So that is 35. 35 plus 24, 59. 59 divided by 8. This is an improper fraction which we can make as proper fraction. Okay, 8 sevens 56. So that upon subtraction you are going to get 3. 7 3 by 8 is the answer. 7 3 by 8. Hope you understood, children. The same process, LCM addition. LCM addition. Okay, if they gave you mixed fractions, we will convert them and then the same process. We'll stop here, children. That's all for today.